How to fix Spotify waiting for download. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will go directly to Spotify, and on Spotify go to storage option, and then go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.